Adobe Express has some integration with Puppetry, which is an animation tool used to create talking head videos. You can use either your voice or an AI voice as the narrator. In this video, I will focus only on how Adobe Express connects to Puppetry. First, there's the image generator, where you can use AI to create animation for you. When you go there, you'll see a box for the prompt, and beneath it you will find the Adobe Express button. When you click on it, you'll need to sign in with your account or create one if you haven't already. Once signed in, you'll access the AI image generator of Adobe Express. It will automatically insert the prompt from what you wrote in Puppetry. You can customize it to the style you like using the option on the side, and then you'll get 4 options to choose from. Free users have 25 credits to use with AI. After you choose your image, click on Save to App, and it will save the image to Puppetry, so you can continue creating your video. Give it a minute or two to refresh the page to see the image underneath. Then you can click the button to use it in the video. There is also another button to open it in Adobe Express, which is available for every image you generate with AI, or if you use the Cartoonify option. When you click on the Adobe Express button, you'll get to the page where you can customize the design by changing colors or shapes. Then click Save to App, and you'll have a new image you can use. The last play is with the AI voiceover. For any audio you generate, there is a button for Adobe Express. When you click on it, you are directed to the Adobe Express Animator, where you can add animation ready-made by Adobe Express. First, download the audio file, then upload it to Adobe Express to use it with their animation. Watch the full tutorial for Puppetry, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.